Today I'm going to be making a glow-in-the-dark Christmas shirt. First I'll walk you through how I created it in Adobe Illustrator and exported it as a DXF. You have to change your file to solid black, and then you can export as a DXF and open it in Silhouette Studio. Then it's in a cut file. I like to color code my design as well, so I'm not getting confused on which parts are what. And then my shirt is going to be black, so I put that black background on there to really highlight the white, and I'm not getting confused. Next, I adjust my matte and my material settings, and then I jump on over and I created a custom material because this is Heat Transfer Warehouse's Puff glow-in-the-dark vinyl. Just use what I have on the screen or go to the link in the description to find out the settings for this heat transfer puff vinyl. Here I am cutting it out with my Silhouette Cameo, and I'll let you guys watch that for a little bit, and then I'll jump into the weeding and applying it on the heat press. Well, there you have it. A lovely glow-in-the-dark Christmas shirt. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun to make, and I can't wait to wear them for Christmas with my nephews. I hope you can find inspiration in making something that glows in the dark too. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 13 of Vlogmas.